Good day, everyone! Are you ready for a new experience and new knowledge? We're here to teach you how to make a DIY capacitor. But first, let's have a brief background what a capacitor is. A capacitor stores and releases electrical energies. This includes two conductive plates separated by insulating material called dielectric. This builds off the electric charge that occurs when a voltage is applied across the plates.
To better understand, a capacitor is a storage tank, similar to a power bank for electrical charge. Due to its ability to store energy, a capacitor is an important component for many electronic devices.
Now you know what is a capacitor, let's make one.
For the first step, let's prepare the necessary materials in creating a capacitor. All we need is a 9V battery, connecting wire with alligator clips, aluminum foil, scissors, glue, tape, a piece of paper, and lastly, ruler. In making the conductor, we should cut two square pieces of aluminum foil, each measuring 10 cm on each side. After cutting it, measure and cut a 3 cm by 7 cm section on one side of the previously cut foils. In making the insulator, cut two pieces of paper, each measuring 11 cm by 11 cm. The paper should exceed 1 cm to prevent contact between foils. Combine the insulator and conductor by gluing them together. Note, the tail should be oriented in the opposite direction. If the tail on the first side is on the left, the tail on the second side should be on the right. For the last step, roll them together.
Now that we've come to an end, we must tape the center of our capacitor to secure it. This is our DIY capacitor. And for our DIY capacitor to work, we must charge it. Put the red alligator clip at the positive side, put the black alligator clip to the negative side. After that, connect it to our DIY capacitor. Let's wait at least 10 to 20 seconds for it to recharge. Now, let's try and measure our DIY capacitor using circuit tester or multimeter. It measures how much charge a capacitor can store given a certain voltage. The larger the capacitance, the larger the amount of charge a capacitor can hold for its given voltage.
But what is the application of a capacitor?
Capacitor serves as an energy storage, signal filtering, motor starters, voltage regulation, energy pulses, and tuning circuits.
How about its everyday life application?
Many people nowadays apply smartphones in daily life, and because of that reason, we can also be implementing capacitors without their knowledge. Inside smartphones, it has multiple serious roles to ensure the continuous working of phones. Capacitive sensing. Most modern smartphones use capacitive touchscreens, which operate by detecting the conducting properties of the earth.
And that's it for our presentation. Thank you for watching.